Hi, I'm Dr. Randy Grill, a nursing home dentist, and I assume if you're watching this, you are probably a relative of one of my patients or the medical power of attorney, and it should be very interesting to you what I tell um, the person you're responsible for. The first thing I do almost every time I see somebody is I look at who the medical power of attorney is. If the nursing home patient, is their own power of attorney, I'm honest with them. You know, who else am I going to tell? But if they are not, I stay very upbeat because the chances are, if they have a medical power of attorney, there are challenges going on. And I have learned from years of doing this, if my patients hear me say something negative, they can become depressed. You can trigger failure to thrive. You can create symptoms in their mind. They know they're going to hurt, and you can seed thoughts. So I write very lengthy and honest notes. Sometimes I try to stay away from dentalese so the family can understand it, the nurses can understand it. I'm not writing to other dentists. I am writing for you. I will be totally honest with you, but total honesty with patients that are not their own medical power of attorney has some real pitfalls. So I'm very upbeat. Um, if they ask what's happening, I'll say, well, we're going to tell your daughter, son, whoever the home has mentioned, or we're going to tell the social services director, who we call the SSD, or we usually say, well, it's all taken care of. We know just what to do, and we'll get you the appropriate treatment. So, and it's important that if you ever are at an appointment with me, that we go out of the room if I sense any dementia going on, or if I read depression in the record, certain medications, we need to step aside and say those things that you have to make the decisions for. A lot of times I will ask your loved one or who you're caring for, is it okay if I gossip about you? But at those times, that's information I want the patient to know. And I've found over the years that people listen far better when you're gossiping about them than if you talk to them. So, this is Dr. Randy Grill. Join me on another video. And if you're the medical power of attorney, you can always get our phone number from the nursing home or the right-hand corner of our record and call us with your questions. And that's 24/7. Always leave a message. Right now the phones aren't on, but we'll turn it back on once we're done taping or we're done seeing patients. Or if it's on the weekend you call, depending on the urgency, we may, if it's urgent, we're going to call you back as soon as we get the message. If it's just a question, we may wait till Monday. But state everything you can. We've never lost a message except those that weren't left. So, see you on the next video. This is Dr. Randy Grill. Thank you.